Okay, so in this video we'll be showing you to make a quick pasta using tin tuna or canned tuna. The tuna is in oil. I'm using a bit more virgin olive oil. Let it heat up. And the tuna is open from the can. I'm just putting the oil from the tuna as well. I don't throw any oil from the tuna because that gives amazing flavor from the tuna, so keep that oil itself. Now some garlic. You can chop it up if you want, but I like the garlic, to come in the mouth and nicely brown, so I just kept it like this. If you want it finely chopped, you can do that way. So the garlic is almost brown, that is enough. But you can see why the chefs always say, okay, cut it all the vegetables or all the garlics in the same size. You can see the difference. The smaller ones get brown faster, the thicker ones will stay like white. So that's we do it in home cooking, so we don't really do it like what we do in the restaurants. But if you want to be precise, cut it everything in the similar way. Okay, now just drop the tuna. The splashing is from the water what the tuna has. Allow it to saute. If it gets crispy also, it's fine, it's good. It gives a nice flavor and texture. So now you can see even the tuna is brown, the water is vanished. It's almost getting crispy yet soft. So now I'm adding some chili. That is, you can use red Holland chili. So that is not spicy. It gives a nice flavor. But if you want it this spicy, you can add chili flakes too. But this is good enough. Now I'll just keep a bit. You'll see why I'm just keeping it this much. Because when I'm going to do the plating, I want a bit of texture and a bit more tuna flavor for the garnish. So I'll just keep some for garnish. Okay, I keep it that much. Rest I'll be using for the sauce. So in here, I bought some ready-made spicy tomato pepperoni sauce. You can use any tomato sauce that is readily available in any supermarket. So this is like quick meals. So just put the sauce. So this is, I'm making one packet of spaghetti, that is almost 500 grams. So the sauce I'm adding is like 200 grams of the sauce and 1 tin of tuna. So now for the seasoning, I'll be adding chicken stock cubes, the cube powder, because I don't want to use any salt. The stock cubes will give nice flavoring and that enhances the whole flavor. If you want to use a seafood stock powder, well and good, use it. So now check the seasoning. So here I'm not adding any salt, just stock cubes. Mix it. Now we can toss in the pasta. So before that, you can refresh the pasta if it's already cooked. I cooked it already. So to refresh, you can pour some hot water on top so it gets more hot and it's good to toss it in the sauce. So now we can mix in the spaghetti. You can see the oil is coming out. That means it's well cooked, nicely seasoned. So now putting in the the spaghetti. Mix it. So butter gives that glaze, the shine in the pasta, as well it enhances the flavor and taste. So just mix it. And now you can just check the seasoning. If you want, add salt or just crushed peppers if you want a bit more kick. Otherwise it's good enough. Slowly. Like that. Okay. Put the tuna. Some chili. If you want some herbs, you can put basil or even coriander.